Dealt with enlargements, we're going to look at drawing reductions. A reduction means to make an object smaller, again by using a constant factor. Again, it can be two-dimensional or three-dimensional. And in this example, this is the original light bulb. This is one that is half the size. So it's a factor of 2, but it's dividing by 2 instead of multiplying by 2. So when we reduce it, we're dividing by 2. So the task that we're given with is draw a reduction that is half the size of the original, and this is our original. Again, method 1, we can use grid paper. Trace the piece on centimeter grid paper. So here's the original. And then if you use grid paper that's half a centimeter, so you're using grid paper that's half the size, then you can just copy the image. Again, this is another, well, this grid is now 4 by 4. So you can enclose the shape in a 4 by 4 grid here as well. And so line down the middle, and then from this top point go down 1 and right 2. So down 1, right 2, there's another point to match there, down 2, down 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. So that completes the shape, and then again it is symmetrical. So to complete it, you've got these diagonal lines in here, and then there's your shape completed. And this one is now half the size of that one. Now, if you started on 1 centimeter paper and go to half centimeter paper, then you just copy it using the same number of squares, proportionally speaking. If you only have 1 centimeter paper, then you're going to have to do the math and cut it in half, much like we did with multiplying by 2 with the scale factor on the previous enlargement example. So the other thing you can do is measuring, and in this case I've got, well, in actual fact it looks like it's 2.1 centimeters, although it's supposed to be 2, I think, but again the printer is changing things. So we'll go with 2.1. If you multiply that by 0.5, then you'll have 1.05 would be the side length of your shrunk version, and 1.05 it is. So then the new length would be 1.05 centimeters. So draw that. So go ahead and try and do this show you know using reduction.